Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna try to see if Lovable can basically integrate with the API of Panthra to be able to retrieve all the account values and be able to show the positions and orders of my account. Panthra is a trading application and it offers APIs, and the goal is basically to see if Lovable can do this integration. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit about Panthra in a moment, but let's do the request first so we can have it in the background running. First, I'm going to go to the documentation and I'm going to go to the API section, and I will take 3 pages. So this is documentation about how to retrieve my balance, which is basically how much cash I own. And this one is about my positions. And the last one is orders. And I would say, please curl or read these pages of documentation of the API and create a website to show basically my balance details and positions and orders. And I will let it in the background try to understand the documentation itself. And meanwhile, I'm going to explain to you what Panthra is doing. So Panthra is a trading platform. So when you create an account, it will give you a paper trading platform completely for free. It will give you money, for example, it will give you 100,000 in account value for free to trade with and use in the sandbox. And then one second. So it's asking me for the API key and secrets. So let's do it first. In order to do that, you go to API key and you create one. Let's delete this one so I can show you how to create one. So you create something like this. You give it a name, and I will allow it to trade as well. And I will take the key and I will take the secrets, and this is how it's going to connect to my profile within Panthra. So I was saying, when you create an account, you will get some 100,000 in value in a sandbox that you will be able to use for trading, and this will allow you to see all the market. So you can see all the stocks. The stocks are the companies that you can buy and sell. You can see the ETFs, and you can see the crypto. And why is not changing? This is weird. Yeah, you can see the crypto. You can see also the commodity. And when you want to trade something, you click on it and you see the chart. You have the daily chart, the hourly charts, and the 5-minute charts. And then you can buy and sell. So for example, if I want to buy some gold, this is gold. So this is gold. I will buy, for example, 1. And the price is 4,353. And I will confirm. It will show me a little bit summary of my purchase and how much you would pay in fees. And then you confirm. And it will show with your positions. So at the moment I have 4 positions, and you can see this is the gold position I just created. At the moment there is no P&L. I didn't lose or gain anything. And then if I go back to my profile, I can also see the distribution of my profile, and I can see also my orders and my positions. It looks like it was able to do something. So it did create, Lovable was able to create page with the balance breakdown of my profile. Indeed, this is actually crazy that it's able to do this. It's showing me all my positions and open only. Why it's not showing any open orders? But it's showing my positions, and it doesn't show my orders. So let's load. It is not showing me my orders, open orders. So it has to do some fix or something to see. But this is really awesome. Actually, I didn't expect that Lovable will be able to do completely all this by itself. So if I compare my profile with exactly what Lovable is doing, so if I go to my profile, this is actually as close, it's 100% actually. It's got all the P&L, my positions, it's got all my positions. There are 4 indeed, but it didn't get the orders yet. So I'd like actually to see. There we go. So it got now all my history of orders, but I'm interested in the open orders. Yes, actually it did get my order. This is insane, guys. I'm discovering as you guys. But let me show you what's going on a little bit more. So if I go and I see the code, it did create like a front end basically application, and it puts all the keys here, and you can download it apparently or put it in GitHub. You can download the code base, put it in GitHub. But this is not secret. This is not how developers work, but it's a really good start, to be honest, to create like a POC or something. So what's going on is it did create a front end with Lovable, and I gave it the key and secrets. It's in the front end, so it's exposed to the word, and it's called with the API Panthra. This is not awesome. This is not how you should do it. If I have to recommend, you should basically have Panthra here. This is the front end, and you will do something like this. So I will copy this one, and I will call it backend. And this is where I put the keys. And this is how it should be. Like, let me put this big screen. So your front, you should basically be able to create a front end that's connect to your backend with the API. And the backend has the keys and secrets, because now you can save them in a secret manager or something where nobody can see them. And then your backend is the one that calls Panthra with an API, get the data, and return the data to the front end. This way you are basically secure, because the front end is accessible to everyone. And this is the danger. So this is going to be, this section on the left side is going to be you. And this is Panthra API. But honestly, I'm super surprised how great this is. We were able basically, if you can see how this works, we're able to basically to retrieve the profile, see all our data, and yeah. So now you can basically create more complicated stuff. You can basically, if you see the history, oh, this is the deposits. Oh my God, this is crazy. These are the deposits. Basically how much money you deposit in the accounts. When you create an account with Panthra, as I told you, it gives you 100,000. So here you can create a lot of things then with this. If you are creative, you can create maybe like some charts. You can see basically the gain, the P&L, as I'm doing here, for example. So in Panthra, it shows you all your P&L or your account value. So you can see daily how it's progressing, if you are gaining money or you're losing money daily. So you can see. Yeah. So I hope that you like this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. We want to have like a discussion with you guys and see what's your experience, if you liked it or not. And if you have any suggestions, please also put them there. Please like the video, share it with your friends so we can all learn. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.